Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to automatically update fields using Flow in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you want certain fields to change automatically based on specific conditions like updating a delivery status when an opportunity closes, saving you from manual data entry, and ensuring consistency across your records. Let's start by navigating to Setup. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface and select Setup from the drop-down menu. This takes you to the administrative hub where you can configure all your automation tools. Once you're in setup, look for the quick find box on the left side of the screen, type flows into this search box, and from the results that appear, select flows under the process automation section. This is where you'll create and manage all your automated workflows in Salesforce. Now click on New Flow to start building your automation. Salesforce will present you with several flow types to choose from. For our purpose, select record-triggered flow. This type of flow runs automatically when records are created or updated, making it perfect for field updates. Next, you'll need to configure the trigger settings. For object, select opportunity from the drop-down. This tells Salesforce that you want this flow to monitor opportunity records specifically, then choose a record is created or updated as the trigger event, ensuring your flow responds to changes in these records. Now let's set up the conditions that will trigger your field update. Set condition requirements to all conditions are met, open parenthesis and close parenthesis. This ensures that every condition you specify must be true before the flow executes. Add your first condition by selecting the field stage equals value closed 1. This means the flow will only run when an opportunity reaches this stage. For the optimize the flow for options, select actions and related records. This setting optimizes performance for flows that update records. Then for when to run the flow for updated records, choose only when a record is updated to meet the condition requirements. This prevents unnecessary flow executions and ensures it only runs when the stage field actually changes to closed 1. With your trigger configured, click the plus icon that appears after the start element. This allows you to add actions to your flow under the data category. Select update records. This action type lets you modify field values on records automatically. Give your update action a clear label like update delivery status. This helps you identify what this element does when reviewing your flow later. Then choose use the opportunity record that triggered the flow. This targets the same opportunity that initiated the flow rather than searching for other records. Now set the field you want to update, select field delivery status or whatever your target field is called, equals value in progress. This automatically changes the delivery status whenever an opportunity is marked as closed 1, keeping your pipeline tracking accurate without manual intervention. Once everything is configured, click Save. Name your flow something descriptive like Auto Update Delivery on closed 1 and save it. Finally, click Activate to make your flow live. Your field will now update automatically whenever the conditions are met. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.